In a world teeming with distractions, where the noise of society clamors for your attention at every turn, there lies a truth waiting to be discovered, a potent realization that could transform your life forever. Earl Nightingale, the renowned voice of personal development and the sage behind monumental successes, once said, "We become what we think about." This singular idea is the cornerstone of a mighty philosophy that encourages you to turn your focus inward, unearthing the immense reservoir of strength that lies dormant within you. What if I told you that the key to unlocking your potential resides not in the opinions of others, nor in the chaos of your environment, but deep within your own mind? Are you ready to seize control of your destiny? Imagine waking up every day filled with purpose, radiating confidence, and fueled by an unwavering belief in your abilities. Picture a life where obstacles transform into stepping stones, and failures only serve to propel you toward greater heights. The teachings of Earl Nightingale beckon you to embark on this journey of self-discovery, to redefine your narrative and rewrite the rules that govern your existence. As you listen to his wisdom, allow it to seep into your consciousness, fostering an unshakable commitment to growth. This is not merely motivational talk. It's a profound invitation to craft your reality, one thought at a time. Your inner strength must overpower the chaos that surrounds you, transforming doubt into determination and apathy into action. In this pivotal phase of your journey, it's essential to understand that your thoughts shape your reality like an artist molds clay. Every idea you entertain has the power to build your future. So, let's delve deeper into the mechanics of your mind. Imagine your brain as a garden. What you plant in this garden will dictate what blooms. If you sow seeds of doubt and fear, those weeds will take over, choking out any chance of growth. Conversely, when you plant seeds of optimism, resilience, and ambition, you cultivate a landscape brimming with possibility. Think about this. What if every thought you had was like a drop of water nourishing your garden? Each positive thought, no matter how small, can cumulatively create a flourishing paradise of potential. The key lies in mindfulness. Be aware of the thoughts that flutter through your mind and consciously choose which ones deserve your attention. Challenge those nagging voices that whisper you're not good enough. Replace them with affirmations that celebrate your uniqueness and strengths. As you cultivate this mental garden, you'll find that taking small, consistent actions will yield remarkable results over time. Set daily intentions that align with your passions. Celebrate each accomplishment, no matter how minor, as it reinforces your commitment to growth. Remember, every moment offers a chance to steer your life in a direction that echoes your deepest desires. What you focus on expands. Make sure that what expands is rooted in your dreams. As you embark on this exciting expedition toward personal growth, understand that the journey requires a map, one crafted from clarity and intention. Just like an explorer needs to chart their course, so too do you need to set clear, defined goals. These goals act as your guiding stars. They illuminate the path ahead and give you direction. Imagine each goal as a unique destination on your journey, whether it's landing that dream job, enhancing your relationships, or cultivating a healthier lifestyle. What matters is clarifying what you truly want. Begin by writing down your aspirations. As you put pen to paper, visualize them as vivid pictures in your mind. What does achieving each goal feel like? How does it transform your life? Engage all your senses. See the new opportunities unfold. Hear the cheers of your loved ones, and feel the pride swelling within. This exercise doesn't just ignite your motivation, it plants a firm foundation of belief. Take the next step. Break these lofty ambitions into smaller, actionable steps. Think of each small step as a rung on a ladder leading you to success. Every effort counts, and even the tiniest movement forward is progress. Celebrate each milestone, however small. It's a testament to your commitment and growth. This approach fosters a self-reinforcing cycle of empowerment, where every action you take builds momentum, energizing your spirit and forging a powerful pathway to your dreams. Embrace the thrill of each new challenge and relish the satisfaction of overcoming them. You're growing, evolving, and stepping into your fullest self. Your adventure has only just begun. As you immerse yourself in this vibrant journey, it's crucial to cultivate an environment that nurtures your budding ambitions. Surround yourself with positivity, people who inspire you, experiences that ignite your passion, and resources that fuel your growth. Think of your environment as an ecosystem. Just like a flourishing forest thrives on sunlight, water, and nutrients, your personal ecosystem flourishes when it is inundated with encouragement and support. Seek mentors who challenge you and friends who celebrate your victories. Their energy can lift you, propelling you toward the heights you desire. Consider the media you consume, too. What stories do you allow to play out in your mind? Choose books, podcasts, and videos that uplift and motivate you. Each piece of content can serve as a stepping stone, broadening your mindset and igniting your creativity. Think of them as windows to new perspectives, offering insights that can reshape your understanding and drive your ambition. As you navigate this thrilling expedition, remember to infuse fun into your journey. Growth doesn't have to feel burdensome. Embrace curiosity and wonder, allowing your passion to breathe life into your pursuits. Celebrate the process, the learning, and the transformation. Welcome every twist and turn. Each one is a chapter in your story, a vital part of your evolution. Your adventure isn't just about reaching the destination. It's about relishing every moment as you unfold into your best self. As you propel through this vibrant landscape of personal development, it's equally important to understand the power of resilience. Life will inevitably throw challenges your way. But remember, the most radiant flowers grow through cracks in the pavement. Each setback is not a stop sign. It's an opportunity to regroup, learn, and rise stronger. Embrace this mindset. Every difficulty is a stepping stone that adds to your depth and strength. When faced with obstacles, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? This simple question can turn frustration into insight, transforming adversity into a powerful teacher. The journey to becoming your best self is akin to sailing through uncharted waters. Storms will occur, but it's your capacity to navigate them that defines your adventure. Cultivate adaptability. It's like having a life vest that keeps you afloat in turbulent seas. When life asks you to pivot, embrace the change. Flexibility allows you to bend without breaking, and every curve in your path brings new lessons. And don't forget the magic of gratitude. Keeping a gratitude journal can be a game changer. Every entry is a reminder of the beauty in your life. When you write down what you're thankful for, you shift your focus from scarcity to abundance. This simple habit cultivates positivity, shifting your mindset and allowing you to see the silver lining in even the cloudiest of days. By embracing resilience, adaptability, and gratitude, you're not only enriching your own life, but also inspiring those around you to thrive in their journeys as well. As you venture further along your personal growth journey, it's crucial to recognize the importance of self-compassion. Picture yourself as a close friend, someone who deserves kindness and understanding. Often, we are our harshest critics, quick to judge our mistakes and missteps. But what if you treated yourself with the same gentleness you offer a loved one? Embrace this concept. Every misstep is not a reflection of your worth, but a stepping stone on your path to greatness. Life is an unfolding journey, and perfection is an illusion. When you practice self-compassion, you create a nurturing space within yourself. This allows you to embrace your flaws and learn from your experiences without being weighed down by guilt or shame. Celebrate your progress, however small, and acknowledge your efforts. Begin by replacing self-criticism with positive affirmations. Speak to yourself with encouragement and understanding, reminding yourself that everyone faces challenges and that growth takes time. Additionally, incorporate practices that foster self-care into your daily routine. Whether it's taking a warm bath, going for a brisk walk, or simply setting aside a few moments to breathe deeply, these acts of kindness invigorate your spirit and recharge your energy. Nurturing your mental and emotional well-being is not indulgent, it's essential. When you embrace self-compassion, you empower yourself to face the world with renewed strength and resilience, ready to tackle whatever challenges come your way. As you leap forward on this transformative journey, it's vital to recognize the power of connection. Community is a catalyst for growth, fueling your inspiration and providing a network of support. Just as a single candle can ignite a flame, your relationships with others can light the path to your personal evolution. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your ambition and drive, creating an uplifting atmosphere where everyone thrives together. Attend workshops, join clubs, or engage in online forums that resonate with your interests. Each conversation can spark new ideas and perspectives, paving the way for your growth. Think about the people you look up to, the mentors, friends, or even strangers whose journeys inspire you. Their stories can serve as powerful reminders that you're not alone in your pursuit. Share your own experiences and challenges. Vulnerability creates a bond, and through this connection, you might find unexpected allies who can help guide you through tough times. Additionally, celebrate others' successes as if they were your own. Every achievement within your circle brings you closer to your goals, demonstrating that the possibility for greatness exists all around you. Harnessing the power of connection also involves seeking out feedback. Constructive criticism is an invaluable tool for growth. Embrace it, and use it as a mirror to reflect on your progress. Cultivating relationships that uplift, challenge, and inspire will not only enrich your life, but also propel you forward in ways you never thought possible. Your journey is a shared one, and together, you can elevate each other to heights unimaginable. Imagine standing on the edge of a cliff, a breathtaking view unfolding before you. Below lies the vast expanse of your untapped potential, inviting you to leap into the unknown. This is where courage meets curiosity, and it's time to dive boldly into the next phase of your journey. Embrace the thrill of possibility. The moment you step outside your comfort zone, the world opens up in ways you never imagined. You become the author of your own story, shaping each chapter with choice and passion. Courage isn't the absence of fear. It's the determination to move forward despite it. This newfound bravery can become your most powerful ally. It propels you to take risks, chase dreams, and confront challenges head-on, all while embracing the exhilarating unknown. Consider each leap of faith an opportunity to discover a different version of yourself. Every experience, whether successful or not, adds depth and richness to your character. Engage in activities that stretch your limits. Try that dance class, speak up during meetings, or travel to unfamiliar places. Each step will broaden your horizons and deepen your self-awareness, teaching you that discomfort can lead to profound growth. Surround yourself with stories of people who have dared to chase their dreams, learning how they faced their fears and emerged stronger. Remember, every brave step you take not only transforms your life, but also inspires others to embark on their own journeys of courage. Your path to greatness is waiting. It's time to claim it. As you stand at the culmination of this transformative journey, take a moment to pause and reflect on the incredible growth you've experienced. Your path has been rich with discovery, resilience, and empowerment. And now it's time to integrate these lessons into your daily life. The tapestry of your transformation is woven from threads of courage, connection, and uncompromising belief in yourself. As you move forward, embrace the notion that this is not an end, but a new beginning. A chance to set forth into the world with renewed purpose and passion. Envision each day as a new canvas, ready for your unique brushstrokes. Inject vibrancy and warmth into your life's masterpiece. Carry the tools you've honed, mindfulness, gratitude, and courage, and allow them to guide you through life's beautiful complexity. Each setback is simply an opportunity clothed in disguise, and each success deserves celebration no matter how small. You owe it to yourself to embrace this exhilarating adventure fully. Now, as you bask in this newfound clarity and ambition, I invite you to share this journey with others. If you found inspiration here, spread the word. Encourage your friends to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it far and wide. Your journey ignites a spark in others, and collectively, you create a network of support and inspiration. Together, you can uplift each other, fostering an atmosphere where dreams flourish. Your story matters, and now it's time to let it shine. Go ahead, take that leap. Your life's masterpiece awaits.